Welcome to the Spectro 1 Pro by Variable. A portable spectrophotometer that aligns optical geometry with your traditional benchtop instrument. Our patented technology enables precise measurements in a compact form factor without compromising performance. Let's dive into how it works. The Spectro 1 Pro utilizes an integrated sphere to include specular light during each measurement, 8 mm measurement diameter. 8 full-spectrum LED lights provide excellent diffused illumination under 4 different light temperatures. An optical color sensor with narrow wavelength filters accurately measures the visible spectrum. But what sets the Spectro 1 Pro apart is our patented technology. Spectro 1 Pro combines advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to tune the reflectance measurements to a laboratory spectrophotometer. This process generates spectral data with exceptional speed and accuracy. Color scientists can partner with Variable to ensure alignment from device to device. Once aligned, Spectro 1 Pro offers a highly portable and affordable method with a custom database. Experience the innovation of the Spectro 1 Pro and take your color measurement to the next level with Variable's breakthrough technology. Spectro 1 Pro by Variable. Begin testing today.